Hey guys, this is Brian, and I guess I just wanted to make a video of how to of a way to polish your fretboard. Um, this is my guitar. It's my baby. It's a Gibson. It's beautiful, and I've already cleaned it actually, but guess I could show you what I've used, how I did it. I just use this stuff. They sell at Guitar Center. You've probably seen it, and it's good for most fretboards, except it says not to use it for what is it, ebony or something. You can't use it on ebony, I think. No, maple. Can't use maple. And this is Gibson, so you know it has rosewood. I should have rosewood. I don't know what I have, but I've used it before, and it always shines the wood up really nice. Doesn't leave any marks. What I do, I just take this, and then just go like this. Just rub it in there like that, and then I'll just take my my cloth right here, and just rub the oil in, and in the process, just kind of scrub. I'm kind of scrubbing it where I take out the gunk, the dirt and stuff that's been built up, and I use the side of my finger, I guess, and I go right up against the frets because that's where the dirt gets into, where it likes to collect in the crevices, like all dirt does. And then they'll just rub back and forth, and I'll just rub back and forth with my finger like this, and it seems to work out pretty well. My friend gave me some very fine, those Brillo pads, but like a really fine ones, and I find that it's not necessary. As a matter of fact, it works in getting the dirt out. But I just find this is just as good. It does exactly what I need it to do. It's just a rag, terry cloth, I think. Something like some type of cloth, and just rub it, and I'll just use this, and it works out pretty good. Yeah. So that's how I clean my fretboard. I'll take a good amount of time sometimes, because sometimes I'll just change the strings and I won't really clean it because I just don't feel like it, or I don't have the time. But then you have to get in. But then you have to get in there once in a while, and make it look nice, or else it's gonna look like crap. Alright, so well, yeah, that's my little tutorial on how to clean your fretboard, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.